really wanna change the world, but can't change my clothes. Wanna find a girl, but can't find my phone. I just lie in bed till the afternoon, dreaming about the...
What's good, right? It is an early as day, and we are vlogging on the 360 camera right now. Every weekend, you know, we've got to catch a sunrise, and the mission today is Malabar, which is a bit of a drive. I don't know what we're going to shoot. We're just going to try and make the most of everything, and should be pretty sick. I'm going to meet up with my guy Jun, and yeah, let's see how we go. I think today I'm going to focus on FPV, but for today, we are going to shoot from sunrise to sunset. So stay tuned for that. It should be pretty sick, and let's see what type of bangers we can get. We're going to shoot with my girlfriend later, but right now, sunrise, let's get this and see what's in store. Alright, so we have made it to the spot with Jun. A little bit of a bunker. There is Jun. We have a bit of a bunker out here. It's pretty sick. We are waiting for the sunrise. If that wasn't barred up, I would definitely fly it through, but unfortunately, that is not the case. We'll definitely zip the drone probably over the top of our heads. I'm thinking we'll do a line to that bunker down there. If you can see it, you'll probably see it later, but that is the plan while we wait for the sunrise. Yeah, it was slightly sus getting up here. We'd like to go on top of this as well. Might require some more parkour. That is the plan, and see how it turns out.
Don't lack imagination. I'm just too scared to try. Afraid that I won't make it. But if I never step outside of my comfort zone, here in my home, I'll never know where I could go. It's worth it to make some mistakes. You miss all of the shots that you don't take. I really wanna change the world, but can't change my clothes. Wanna find a girl, but can't find my phone. I just lie in bed till the afternoon, dreaming about the things that I wanna do. If I wanna change the world, I should change myself. I should make my bed, I should dust the shelf.
Alright, so we absolutely sent it at the top of the bunker. Got some epic shots. Nearly chopped Jun's feet off. It was fairly close, not gonna lie, but I think we got some epic shots. We're gonna go to the rock face right now. Maybe zip the drone a little bit more, capture a few visuals and whatnot, and yeah, just maybe call it a day. A bit of a nice and quick one. And yeah, that was a pretty sick bunker on the top. Sun did some graffiti. Wish we had the Mavic, but we definitely got some banger shots up there. Let's go to the Cliffside bunker thingo now. I think we got the money shot already. We're gonna do some cool line, zipping across the cliff. Hopefully it'll be epic. And let's not lose another drone. Well, not another one. Let's not lose a drone, because I don't feel like doing that today. Probably switch my SD card. Yeah, let's get some beautiful views. There's so many rockfishes down there. I don't want to disturb them, so we'll leave it at that. Let's go. Yeah, so apparently I woke up too early and I didn't bring the second battery. So that was a bit of a fucking shit show. So we will not be flying the second pack, but I think we might re-continue during the sunset or whatnot. We'll go from there. Let's get our asses home, maybe do some cool 360 shots because I'm an idiot.
First, my calculations seem bulletproof to me. There can be no human.
Alright, we're out here chasing a sunset with Chris and my girlfriend Chris Stoll. And this is a beautiful view. We are going to the spot right now in like Vaucluse. Let's hurry up. We're racing the clock. Hopefully you can see me on this 360 camera, because I don't know if you can.
Can you see me?
You should be able to. It's 360. You can see like everything around.
Oh.
You should be able to see Chris doing stupid shit as well.
Stupid shit.
Oh my god. He's definitely doing a backflip today. So
No,
we'll get Chris doing some cool flips
My
in
legs,
the sunrise,
bro.
sunset. And yeah, so that's the plan. We're gonna get some cinematics, fly the drone real quick. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go.
If I just stay home here all alone in my comfort zone, but now I know it's worth it to make some mistakes.
Alright, so we have reached the spot. The tide is kind of high, so if you can see, there's not much of a beach here, which is a little bit unfortunate, but that's alright. I don't think we're gonna fly the drone. Took a bunch of shots of Crystal.
Yeah, but they're dark.
Look, some post-processing never hurt anyone, but yeah, that is the plan. Just chill here, get some more shots, and yeah, probably call it a day. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal, and enjoy the views.
You miss all of the shots that you don't take. I really wanna change the world, but can't change my clothes. Wanna find a girl, but can't find my phone. I just lie in bed till the afternoon, dreaming about the things that I wanna do. If I
change the world, I should change myself.